Well, they got food today. They got all kinds of ammunition and coins. Looks like everybody's here. Well, they got a Kobuta, a John Deere over there. Now, might as well see what kind of guns they got. Oh, do not. All right. Got all kinds of shiny ones. They're the big ones.
There's 660s up there. There's two 660s.
Oh, a whole bunch of people watching. There's a little one. And they go all the way down there.
That's a good old pick.
What do you guys got to do today?
Not much.
Okay.
Just remember that.
All right.
$1,000. I'm a down, I'm a down, I'm a down, 500. Anybody get 500? Let's get 5. Give 5. I'm a 200. Let's get 300.
John Deere lawnmower.
I'm a 200. I'm gonna get 300. Now 4, 474. Now 40. You get 40. You get 400. Let's get 400. Let's get 4. Now 3.5, 4. I'm a 4 now half. I'm a 40. You get 4.5, 4 1/4. Do you want to do that? 4 1/4. 4 1/4. The red dots go. Think about that. 4 1/4. I'm a 4 1/4. I'm a 400. No sales tax. 4 1/4. I'm a 400.
Yeah, one of those things.
Do you want to get 40? You want to get 25? I'm going to get 40. You want to get 4 1/4. Look at 4 1/4. I'm a 400 and a quarter. And a Benelli 4 1/4. I'm a 425. You get 25. I'm going to get 4 1/4. Now half. 4 1/2. I'm a 4 1/2. 475. 500. You want to get 500. I'm going to get 5. You want to get 5 and a quarter. 5 1/4. I'm a 500 and a quarter. I'm going to buy 5 1/4. Do you want to get 500 and a quarter? Now do you want to get 5 1/4? Do you want to get 500 and a quarter? Do you want to get 5 1/4? Sold it your way now. $500. 101 done. Way in the back. Sold it $2,050. 34 the buyer. 34. All right here. Now, take it again to my next right there. Lot number 21 is a Ruger model 1022 tactical. Serial number, arch angle stop. It's a 1991. This is the one that I put down as a mag, and it's a long rifle. You are buying it as a long rifle. I don't know what I was thinking when I put mag down here. Must have been drinking beer. All right here. Now, I'll take it again to buy the next one right here. Give it there. Now, then you get $1,000. I'm a pound, then you get down to bid. I'm a pound, then you get down, then you get 500. Anybody get 500? I'm going to get 5, get 5, then you get 2, 3. I'm a 200. I'm going to get 3, 3 bid. I'm a 3. Now 4. I'm a 300. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get 3.5. I'm a 3, 350. Now 4. 4 to bid. I'm a 400. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get 4. Now half. I'm a 450. I'm a 400 and a half. I'm a 40. I'm going to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 40. I'm going to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 4, 450. I'm a 400 and a half. I'm a 40. I'm going to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 4, 4 1/4. It's 4 and a half. Thank you. Now 75. I'm at 475. I'm at 450. 475. 475. And you're going to get 75. I'm going to ball in. I'm at 450. 475. I'm at 450. 475. And you're going to get 75. I'm going to get 450. 475. All in and all done. Sold it your way, Rodney. $450. I'm 2,600. I'm going to get 5. Now 6. 600. I'm going to get 25.
Browning 410 over under.
Sold it $2,500 out. $2,500.
Way back here.
190. 190. All right here. Gun 36. Gun number 36 right here is a Ruger model 1022 stainless with clips. 1995 right here. Take it again. On the next line here. Here we there. Now we get now 800. How about 800?
That looks ordinary.
Get 5 for all done.
Chipmunk.
Come do it. 4 1/4. Yeah. Now half. 4 1/2. 450, 475.
That's little enough I can afford it, but I bet I can't.
475. Around farm sale March.
Chipmunk, huh?
Farm sale again in March. 475 might as well. 475. Sold it your way. 450.
Now let's see what that sells for.
130. 130.
Hey, talk about how good corn was.
Hey, tell me how good corn was. He got light on the guns. Now, gun number 37 is a Chipmunk model Childs Simmons scope bolt action 22 single. All right here. Somebody get 800. How about 800? Everybody get 8, get 5. Maybe get 500. Everybody get 5, get 5. Maybe get 5. Maybe get 200. How about 200? Everybody get 300. Everybody get 400, another get 500. I'm at 500, another get 556, 600, another get now 700, 700, another get 700, another get 700, another get 7, now 8. I'm at 800, another get 8, 7.5, Curtis, 7.5, 7.5. 7.5 now 8, 800, another get 8, 800, I'm at 800, another get 8, another get 8, another get 800. I'm at 800, another get 775 now 800. I'm at 800 now quarter. I'm at 800 and a quarter. I'm at 8, you want to get 810, 810, another get 8, you want to get, he gonna pay for it just like everybody else, 810. I'm at 800, another get 810, I'm at 810, now 25, I'm at 825, I'm at an extra $10, 825 for working, 825, 8.5. I'm at 8.5, I'm at 8.5, 8.5, 8.5, 8.5, 8.35. I'm at 8.35, 8 and a quarter, another get 8.5. I'm at 8.35, 8.5, 8.35, you're gonna get 8.50. Sold it to you, $835. 46 is the bid number, 46. Tiffany, you gotta pay Curtis an extra $10. 7 to bid. I'm at 65 and now 7. I'm at 7 pounds. They're going to get 7 now 7. I'm at 7 pounds. They're going to get 7. Get 7. I'm at 65 and now 7 to bid. I'm at 7 pounds. They're going to get 67 and a half. 65, 7.5. Beautiful set of guns. 67 and a half. I'm at 65, 67 and a half. I'm at 60, I don't know where in the world you go to find another one and be complete. 67.
What are they?
I'm at 65 now 7 and a half. I'm at 66, 67 now 7. Now 7. You better don't lose that for 100. I'm gonna loan you 100. 67, 68, 68. I'll just loan you the 100. Don't lose those. 68, 68.
Hey, Hal, what are they?
I'm at 8, give it a good 8, give it a good 8, give it a good 8. I'm at 67 now. I'm at 800, and I'll be real honest with you. We were in here yesterday, and I made a comment to a guy was in here, and I said, I thought they'd bring 7,500. He asked me, so Harley, what do you think you bring? I said, I think they'll bring 7,500. And I really did. 68. I'm at 67 now 8. I'm at 800. I'm going to get 8 to bid. I'm at 67 now. I'm going to get 800. I'm going to get 8 now 8. I'm at 800. Is everybody all in and all done? 67, 68. You want to do it? No? Sold them to you, Steve. 6,700. Bid number is 88. 88. 574 hours.
It's a diesel.
Yep, diesel.
Does it run?
Are you in neutral up here?
I don't know.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. Might not be my brand.
Yeah.
Might not be my brand. Might be kind of the wrong color for
Yeah.
me.
All right, L3130. All right there.
They had a finish mower and a bush hog, and their son kept the finish
He
mower.
kept the finish mower
and
and
the tiller.
the tiller. Yep.
So
So
we'll sell
just
the
the blade,
tractor.
and then we'll sell the blade. Got the tractor
Sell the
first.
blade.
3130. So to get $10,000. And you get 10 to bid. Now you get $10,000. Get 10. Now 10. 3,000. Full $1,000. And you get 100 to bid. You get 4 to bid. $3,000. Full $1,000. And you get 100 to bid. You get 4 now 3. And you get 5. You get 35. And you get 30. You get 30. You get 30. You get 35. And you get 100 to bid. You get 35. 3,000. And you get 30. And you get 30. You get 30. And you get down to get 35.
Yes.
And you get down 4. Full $1,000. And you get 100 to bid. 4 to bid. 37 and a half. Full 1,000. You get 4. Get 4. And you get 2 and a half. 42. 2 and a half. Full 1,000. You get down half. Now you get 40. You get 5. I'm 42, 42, 2 and a half, 42, 4,000, you get 41, and you get $4,100. And you get to bid for 41, $4,000, 41, 41, and you get to bid for 41, $4,000, $4,100, and you get them on, and you get them on, and you get
Turn my camera on, everybody backs up.
41, 42, I'm 42, 3, 43, 4300 out of get 3, and you get 3 to bid, 43, 44, 44, $4,400, 5, look at 5, and you get to bid 45, I'm at 44, 45, I'm at $44, $500, 45, 45, and you get to bid 445, I'm at 44, $400, look at 5.
Don't pull back.
Yeah, it's going somewhere else. Yep. $44, $4,500. And you got to bid 445, I'm at 45, 45, and low hours.
It looks like a heck of a tractor to me for that.
Yeah, for that kind of money.
I get it that it's two-wheel drive. I get that.
Yep.
It's a diesel and it's got 574 hours.
$44, $4,500. And you got to bid 445, I'm at $4,400, $500. And you got to bid 445, I'm at $4,400, $500. And you get a 5 now, $4,500. And you got to bid 445, 545, 45. And you got to get a 5. And you got to bid 45, 40. Yep. And you got to bid 45, $4,500. Sold it. 4,400. Number 22. Number 22. Now we got a John Deere X310.
I advertised it as a 2017. It's a 2015, but they did not buy it until
2017. It's a 2015.
It's got 177 hours.
177 hours on it.
All right.
Right here. Now, look at $3,000. Look at $3,000. Look at 4. And you get 4 to base. And you get $3,000. And you get 3. 1500, 17 and a half. 17 and a half now. 17 and a half now. 17 and a half. 9, 15, 600, 1600. 9, 15, 1600. 9, 15 on this mower right here. $1,500, $1,600. 9, 15, 1600. Make it down $1,700. And it is $1,900 number 11. Oh, we got the
3-point blade.
3-point blade left. Got the 3-point blade. Trying to find the blade here. Now, so to get the ever used it, guys. So to get $500. And to get $500. To get $500. You finally get $5. You get $200. And to get $200. $200. Down 2. I get $2. 1 and a half. So to get 1 and a quarter. I want 1 and a quarter. A little 3-point blade, guys. 100 and a quarter. I want 1 and a quarter bid. Now I'm going to get a quarter. Now I'm going to get a quarter. And you're going to get a quarter of the bid. I'm going to get a quarter of the bid. And a quarter. So there's $100. 22. Number 22.
4-wheeler, it's electric.
A little electric razor 4-wheeler with the charger.
Yep.
Right there, right there now. So they get $500. And they get $500. Get $500. Get 2. No, but your grandson can 2, 3. And they get 3 to bid. Now they're going to get 3. And they get 3 to bid. Now 3, $300. Now so they get 3.
You look good on that, you and Jenny.
3, got 2, 3.
Hey.
2 and a half. Not 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half. 2 and a quarter. Hey, Marianne. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half. Now half. 75. 275. I'm a 250 to get 3. 3 to bid. But to get a quarter. I'm a 3 to get a quarter. Quarter to get a quarter. To get a quarter. I'm a 3 and a quarter. Quarter to bid. To get a quarter. Hand to get a quarter. 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 Now to get a quarter. Half. I'm a 3 and a quarter. 3 and a half. Is that? Okay, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter half. I'm 3 and a quarter. Now, I'm 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter half, 350, Marianne, 350. Okay, 3 and a quarter. You get 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter half. 3 and a quarter. Get quarter half. So the $325. Number 116. Number 116. Now we'll come right up here to the silver rounds.